no rolling roads. Got a couple of aerial atoms and nomads. But yeah, today we're going to get a baseline for the Subaru and a
brake
brake horsepower figure for the 350.
Torque figure that, you know, like people will understand for the 350, because wheel horsepower and wheel torque is a little bit of a strange section.
Yeah.
Sounds a bit funky.
Should be interesting. The aerial atoms.
What's your prediction for the Subaru then?
Well, if it's under 225 from, well, it's 230 from stock. So anything over 220 I'll be happy with. About 220 I reckon.
220?
Yeah.
Alright.
What about you?
310 plus I'm happy with.
So we'll see. Atoms are going now. The Celica's in the booth, and yeah, Subaru's up next after that, and then it's a 350, so stay tuned.
I bet they feel crazy atoms.
Yeah, one's got a K20 in it as well, supercharged, so
yeah.
quite mad. Scooby's turn to go in then.
Remapping exhausts and that's about it. Try and go any further exhaust.
Yeah, shit yourself. I like the honesty. Right, Subi's turn to go in. That Celica made 400 free brake. That's mad.
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
But yeah. Let's get a power figure on a standard WRX. She's all strapped down, don't know why, it's not going to make that much power. Completely standard. Apart from a bolt and exhaust, which is already on it.
Yep, already came on it.
About 235.
You think?
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah, 230 stock, and that's...
Yeah, they always make a little bit more, of course, unless it's fun.
Oh yeah, let's hope not. Paul. Time for the 350. Very wide as well.
Is it matte or standard?
Matt.
That's it.
Abby.
Okay. Time for the 350 to go on. Yeah, Subaru's Dyno still up, so it made 225 to the fly and 250 torque, which is not too bad for a standard car. It's got nothing done to it, so now it's time for the 350 just to get that horsepower map dyno, whatever you want to call it, power on.
Get a
When
figure.
was it matte?
Huh?
When was it matte?
Monday.
Okay, right. So it's normally...
Fiddy's coming off. pretty successful day for the Scooby. Show the dyno graphs. So, dyno graph shows decent start up. Turbo's quite constant. Peaks out around 250 torque, and then around 5,500 RPM it starts to cross over there. It starts coming down. It's when the turbo runs out of puff. But yeah, max power was 225. Max torque is the torque line there. It's 250. So yeah, decent. My AFRs are running really rich apparently. That's what Charlie said. And yeah, PSI he said was about 10 PSI. So it's a tiny little turbo running no boost. Well, little boost, but yeah, I'm happy with 225. It's a nice base to go off from. And yeah, that's what the Scooby's looking like now. Got new alloys, so yeah. Let's go see the 350.
So obviously we are home now from Surrey Rolling Roads. Bit of a shit drive back. M25 was a little bit busy.
What the fuck?
Yeah. That's when you open it and shut it.
It tricks it.
Yeah. So I run 300.6 brake horsepower apparently. Well, on Abby's dyno,
it's a very old
it was higher, but yeah, it's a bit decrepit their dyno. But yeah, so right, mate, I was happy with 300 horsepower. Like, it's an NA motor. It's got minimal mods. There's not loads of room for improvement with NA motors, unless you're going the whole hog like Forgy and ITBs. And God, stop playing with my chair, you child. But as you can see here, the fuzzy line, that one, is the air fuel ratio, which pulls is an absolute mess, like an absolute state, running all the way down at 10%.
Yeah, I know.
What even is that?
Running very rich.
Yeah, this one stays between 12 to 13. Spot on, really. Mark knows his shit. We've got 260. 260.
It's a very nice power curve.
Oh, this is my torques.
Yeah.
No, that's my AFR. Oh, here we go. Here's my torques. We've got a very, very, very smooth torque graph. Look at that line. Let me flip this. Look how smooth that torque line is.
Oh,
hello.
There you go.
Right. But yeah, we topped out at 200 and I can't even see.
Mine's dead on 250.
Yeah, mine's higher. I think it's about 264 foot-pounds of torque to the wheel, to the crank. She's fairly quick now. Drives really nicely. I genuinely cannot fault her at all. So yeah, big up Charlie at Surrey Rolling Road. Big up Mark at Abbey Motorsport.
Decent little day.
Yeah. Happy with the figures.
Hour drive.
Yeah, it's a bit of a long drive.
For the price you pay for that, for a dyno graph, 40 quid for 3 runs, and then you get your best power. So
that's it. That's it. But you got to know, ain't you? Like, I wanted to know the brake instead of wheel horsepower figures, so I never took the Turbo Civic there, which I regret doing. I wish I took the Turbo Civic to Surrey Rolling Roads.
It would have been mad.
It would have been good. It would have made mad power. Mad power.
The Civic was quite mad.
The Civic was a mad car. This is a lot more sensible, but even naturally aspirated compared to the Turbo Civic, it's still got more torque. So it pulls a lot stronger. The Civic just pulled higher in the higher revs.
Since you got the boost.
Yeah. I like this stuff. This is a good car.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Successful day.
that's it.
See you
later. Bye bye.